Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel where you are going to find out what's Deborah doing now. So glad that you're joining me today where we are going to continue on with my Christmas Decor 2025. We are in the family room, and specifically today we are going to tackle this console table that is behind me. So far, you guys, I am really piecing this together because I have a really crazy hectic job outside of the home. As a matter of fact, I'm just getting home now from work. And I do want to get this decor done at least by the end of the Thanksgiving weekend. We are in the midst of Thanksgiving week right now, and I'm working it, you guys. I really am. So far, what I've been able to do was to get the fireplace mantle done in this family room. If you've not yet seen that video, I'm gonna leave the link up in the card in the description. You guys, it's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. So once again, today I'm going to tackle this. And then after that, I think what I'm going to do is try to finish up the rest of the family room as well as the kitchen, which flows right from this room into the kitchen. So you guys, as true to how I do things, I'll leave up there in the B-roll. What I do is I lay everything out that I think I'm going to use. That way I get a visual, everything out there, and then I can pick and choose of how I'm going to put this together. But I did come up with a game plan. Now, when I put it together, I may pivot, deviate from it a little bit, but generally speaking, I do know what direction I am going to go in with this. As a matter of fact, I have a little list. I'll be right back. Okay, this is the list for the different spaces. So what I decided to do for this console table, let's see if I can find it. As a matter of fact, there is a story about this console table. This was originally up in our bedroom. And then I came across another console. Actually, it's a TV stand is what it is, but I'm calling it now a console table because that's how I'm using it. But this was upstairs in our bedroom as a TV stand. And we found another one that actually has a fireplace insert inside. So we repurposed the one from originally upstairs to this area, and we absolutely love it here. So anyway, as far as the decor is concerned, what I decided that I was gonna do is to swap out the mums. So I had some like light brown mums in this vase along with some other greens and these. So I decided to swap out the mums for something burgundy, put up some wooden houses, put some garland along the front, put some mini trees up here, and then also have a basket or a bowl with some pine cones. So that is the game plan, you guys. So we're gonna see how things go. So thanks again for joining me. Get your favorite beverage, sit back, relax, enjoy what I'm about ready to do here along with the music. And you guys, I'll see you at the end. All right. All right, everyone. And this is done. Love the effect. It's really natural and organic, which again was the feel that I was looking for over in this area. Absolutely perfect. Now, one of the things, okay, that you may or may not have noticed is that I stripped away the burgundy florals in this area. It just was not working for me with the entire look. And that is perfectly okay. You start off, in going down in one direction and you start putting it together. You step back, you look at it, it's like, that's not really working for me. We need to do something different. And it's simply omitting that just made a world of difference. So guys, tell me what you think about it. Leave it in the comments, and please do, if you are enjoying this content, please do remember to subscribe to this channel. That means the world to me, and it also lets YouTube know that you are interested in what I am doing here. So you guys also please do turn on your notification, because once again, I am full on into decorating this home for Christmas. And up next is going to be the family room and the kitchen. So please do not miss out on that. So until we meet again, you guys, keep creating spaces that you just want to live in. And I hope that what I'm doing here does in fact inspire you as well. Love you guys, and I'll see you right here real soon.